Hello everybody, Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, where I stream every day live all my trading. You can see my charts, you can interact with me, you can ask me questions. I'm open to discussion, I'm open to interaction, voice chats. Please don't worry, my English is my English, your English is whatever it is. Can be English, can be Polish. I'm sorry, I speak a little bit Russian, but I'm not. I don't have the technical terms for trading in Russian, so I won't be able to communicate in Russian. So as far as your English is good enough to communicate, please just join in and let's chat. Okay. Now, as far as trading is concerned, on the DAX 30 index, we see that basically today the DAX index was trending very strongly and very systematically and going up. And the range is 533 pips today, which is a pretty unusual range. I mean, something like this happened last Thursday, 528 pips, but the average is around 360 or 350, let's say. And even there were days where Monday and Tuesday was below 300. So there wasn't actually any possibility to predict that the market would necessarily go that high today. So basically, when I joined the market today, it was right there. So basically, I was expecting a pullback, a retrace. So after this price action, I simply clicked my ruler like this, right? So, or the Dada's communication interface, right? I clicked it like this, and I measured out the whole market right here. That was the whole market, and there was a pretty big possibility of a retrace or a pullback. That's why this was the context of the possible pullback. There was even some price action right here, like a pin bar. So everything fitted pretty well for the possibility of a pullback up to there, or perhaps even further. So I went in short, but as we can see, 15 minutes passed, 30 minutes passed, 45 minutes passed, an hour passed, an hour 15, and the market slowly started going downwards, but it was the dynamics weren't strong enough. So I figured out I have to get out of this market because something is very fishy right here. Doesn't look like there is a big dynamic, or in other words, that there is a big disproportion of sellers and buyers, right? So I got out of it. So I got 13.15 pips. That's pretty nice, right? It's quite a decent trade. And the market started moving backwards in the opposite direction. So basically, when the market broke out right here, there could have been another opportunity to get in a long trade. But anyways, I mean, considering the range that was already right here, it was pretty risky because it will happen from time to time that the specific market is going to trend, but most of the times, if you're gonna get in at such levels, the market will simply show you the middle finger and go in the other direction and take out your stop loss. So this is a pretty risky situation, so I wasn't trading anymore. You can say, okay, we could have gone there, we could have gone there. Yeah, possibly, right? And even the market hit this level pretty much exactly. But yeah, but like I say, every trade at this type of range for a day trader is pretty much dangerous and pretty risky. So if somebody didn't get in at an early stage, then yeah. But then on the other hand, like I said, I don't like trading the Asian session, and there is never any guarantee that something like this will happen. So basically, I don't like getting in this situation where we actually don't know a lot about what the market is gonna do. So yeah, so basically that's it. That's the trading. Like you see, recently I'm going pretty well. There hasn't been any stop loss recently, so yeah. So like I said, I'm trading pretty small lots, considering the amount, the balance on this account. I can afford to trade 200 lots right here. So I have a pretty big, let's say, a lot of space for eventual recovery if something like that happens. Anyways, this is the way to do it. This is a way. If somebody still doesn't understand, then this is the way. I mean, we do something like this. We measure out the potential market. Then we, for example, measure out the potential trade, right? Whether it's like this or the stop loss should be like this, or basically we wait for the breakout. So in other words, here we have this market, and it's this is the market. Yeah, this is the local market. That's why I was counting on this trade to go down. Of course, there was a thought in my head that maybe I should first wait for the breakout, but then I said, well, a better price will give me more potential pips. But like I said, if the market didn't want to move after this price action right here, because basically if there were a strong bearish market right here, then after this signal, the market should be moving more dynamically and practically going down. If it doesn't want to, well, something is fishy right here, so we gotta get out, and that's it. Yeah, and like you see, I had even moved my take profit my stop loss to a very sensible position, just in case. But yeah, that's what I decided. Now, like I say, after the breakout right here, there was a possibility, but considering the daily range, it becomes more and more risky. So basically, that's why most traders, I would say, trade like this. So they would have gone I wait for a signal. Most traders would get in short at this level right here, right? Most traders would get in short right here because they would say, I don't know, they would say that the market will turn around in a moment, right? So we call it catching flying knives, right? Or catching falling knives, right? Or whatever. So it's like it's either when the market is dropping down or when it's going up. It's the same idea. So basically, somebody would have got in short right here and taken a stop loss, gotten short here, taken a stop loss, gotten short here, taken a stop loss. Sometimes it works, on the other occasions it doesn't. So it's always better to wait for a signal and then decide what to do next. That's the way I trade, and I sincerely invite everybody to join my Dada's Trading Room Discord server. And I actually would like people to start talking with me, and not just either watching or just joining the server and then I don't know what. Come on, people. That's what it is. If you got an idea, if you say, okay, I know this and that reason why the market should go up. Okay, let's do it that way, right? If you got a good reason, okay, let's discuss it, right? Let's you tell me why, and we can trade together. I don't see a problem. I don't see why people are just reluctant to just join in and just talk about it. Okay. Yeah, so like I said, you're sincerely invited. The link to my Discord server is below in the descriptions. Dada's Trading Room Discord server. Just click on it and join. If you have any problem with joining, contact me on any other media, on the Facebook page or whatever, or through Forex Factory or on the Polish forum or wherever, right? You can contact me and I will help you join the Discord server. Okay, thanks a lot. Please like, please subscribe, and another option is that you can become my patron, either directly through patreon.com. The link is also down there in the descriptions below, or directly through PayPal. And I am, for somebody who is supporting me that way, I will be absolutely open, help you with coding, help you, give you my indicators. Even if you stick with me long enough, you can get my whole system and lots of good benefits. Okay, thanks a lot for today. Still keep safe, still keep healthy, and see you next time. Bye.